friends, welcome back to Blessed Fortunes. My name is Neha. I hope you liked my 12-part sun sign specific career readings which were uploaded over the course of last 1 week. Since a lot of you requested me to perform love readings as well, we are performing love and relationship reading for Virgos today for the year 2020. For personal readings, you can contact me on my website or my Facebook page. You can find these links in the description section of this video. Please watch this video till the end and please remember to press the subscribe button. I have pre-drawn these 3 cards for you. This card, card 1, represents your past. Card 2 represents your present. And card 3 represents your future. Let's start the reading. This card, 9 of Wands, shows that in your recent past, some of you who were single, you were facing issues at your work, some financial losses. Some of you were facing health issues as well. And you were quite unclear about the kind of partner you need in your life. So you don't know which person you would connect to and what kind of person you exactly need in your life, which is why you remained single. You didn't approach anyone. For those who were in a relationship or married, your relationship was going through a tough phase. You were unable to hold on to the person or to your partner. Every fight you had, every time you had a fight, you thought you would just give up. Some of you had broken up in your recent past and you felt wounded from within. This card, 2 of Swords, shows that for those in a relationship or married, you are finding it difficult to manage your work and relationship together. You are learning how to manage both. Maybe you have a lot of work right now. For those who have broken up in your past, you are trying to move on. You constantly feel that you are in between 2 relationships. You are unable to take decisions. Maybe you are emotionally confused as of now. For some of you, it may be true. For singles, you are going to come across your potential partner soon, but you are a little scared of approaching people. I think you fear rejection. So, if you are open to approach people, if you are not scared, then I think that will solve the problem. This card, Daughter of Pentacles, shows that if you are single, you will find potential partners in your future also. You need to be ready to approach the person you like. Those in a relationship or the married ones, the fun element in your relationship may vanish for a while, but soon you will get it back. Your relationship will become stronger and deeper. Overall, these cards are good in a love and relationship reading. With this, we have reached the end of this session and I hope I was able to help you in at least a small way. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and let me know in the comment section which topic you would like me to cover next. See you in the next video.